These are the smart plugs that I picked up from the team. These ones are to help you control things remotely. So things like lamps. One of the big ones for us is our internet router because it constantly is intermittent and we have to reset it. And it's just really easy to do it from your phone. Just press a button and it's done. It does come with a app you can use for it, but also in addition to that, it does connect to your existing smart device apps. So if you prefer to use a existing app in the App Store, you can use it with Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, and also the Samsung Smart Things. And you can download things from here. What was really appealing for me for this specific product was that it was also monitored your energy consumption. You can also set timers on things. So it's really great if you maybe want lamps coming on and off, or even your Wi-Fi if you've got kids and you don't want them to use it after bedtime. On the side there is the reset button. So maybe you want to do a quick hard reset. And on the side here is the QR code. Once you picked your app to manage your smart plugs, you would scan your QR code to link it up to your plug. So really simple. It's going to be pretty much point, click, and set up. We've used these before. We know it's really simple. It's literally plug in, scan, put it into your app, and it is done within a minute. So you can connect your whole house. I'm super excited because I really like having lots of lamps coming on.